We about to go to this nigga house and spray this nigga car up right now, you feel me? That nigga. Look. Boy, that shit been out. It's a fuck. He looked out the window?
Yeah, I see it.
Chill, James.
Chill, James.
I'm about to get by you.
Man, boy,
James,
chill.
Man, what it do, GDG? Goddamn gang, man. Y'all know who I am. It's your boy Sam. No lie, nigga, I'm that guy, nigga. I'm back with another video now. Listen, I'm trying to tell y'all, late night, nigga, we on a mission. Now, you feel me? Last week, hold on, they arguing and shit? I'm talking about as soon as we get to Walmart. Oh shit, I'm talking about, listen, GDG, so we get to Walmart, shit, them niggas on that bullshit. But nah, GDG, right now, we on a mission right now, so you feel me? About 2 weeks ago, your boy James shot my nigga Teddy's truck up with a paintball gun, you feel me? When a fuck nigga, when a fuck nigga playing with your top, catch his ass, huh? When a fuck nigga playing with your top, catch his ass. Yeah. If I hit up, you feel me? So James, off the rip, this ain't my idea. So
my idea.
So listen, you feel me? Right now we in Walmart. We about to get some little, what it's called, a little fake spray paint.
It's fake spray paint, but you can wash it off.
Yeah, you can wash it off. You feel me? We about to go to this nigga house and spray this nigga car up right now. You feel me? Like I said, Lil James, I fuck with you, little bro, but it's only right. It's only right.
You said get it back in blood. So.
It's only right. Listen, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button if y'all new to the channel. You feel me? Gonna leave this video a thumbs up, all that. Comment y'all favorite part. Tell you, this shit ain't about to end. I'm gonna tell you that now, little bro.
Oh, I know. I already got this whole plan. I got all this planned out already. I already know what's about to go on.
This shit about to be a fucking war. So right now, you feel what all this shit on? You don't know.
Man, it's in the backpack. It's in way in the back. Over.
Spray that shit again. Hey, so listen, you feel me? We can't find no goddamn, no can spray, so you feel me? We gotta get this little worm shit, you feel me? That shit gonna come out the nigga car? Oh yeah, that shit gonna come out.
Oh yeah, that shit gonna come out.
He gonna be blowing down, little bro, and got the nigga and shit. Nah, listen though, you feel me? That's the only color they got? But that green, that's wrong. That's like a, I ain't find that like a little, that color really hitting though, cause it's called like a dark blue. Ooh.
We need it. We said we needed that one.
Oh yeah, that's gonna come.
How many think I should get?
Nigga about 3.
About 10?
Nigga 3, nigga no damn 10. You about to grab all them shit, cuz?
Yeah, I'm about to get his ass. I'm about to get them things over there.
What is it, the confetti shits?
Yeah, I'm about to bust them all.
As soon as he come out, the hit his ass one.
Boom! Man,
listen, James, last said, look, bro, this ain't my idea, you feel me?
Well, this most definitely my idea. I'm gonna drive forward on.
Damn, we should have had Zach with us. Zach would have amped this bitch up, but damn, my nigga, you feel me? It is what it is.
It is what it is. Hey, Sam, grab one more.
Hey, these is like, you twist these shit, ain't it? Oh yeah, you twist them shit. Yeah. Like a gender reveal type shit. Man, listen, we done got a champagne bottle in this bitch, a confetti bottle. Oh, what's that shit got a? Oh, we good. Listen, boy, Teddy, you ODing, boy.
I'm ODing.
What you overdoing, boy?
What? 1, 2.
Not with the cans though. You feel me? The confetti. How many times you gonna pop him? Nigga, you only got down 2 hands. You only pop his ass twice.
I'm gonna pop the whole family.
Man, James gonna get in your ass. That's not for real. Oh, then we go down right here. She about to get off the clock. You ready to go home? You got money with this shit. So listen. Alright, we're done. Alright, so listen. We don't put. The fuck we whispering? That nigga your heels right here. Nah, listen. What's up? That nigga shit right here, nigga. You get out of here. Oh nah, listen. Boy, you crazy for that one, boy.
You said what?
What you different for that one, boy?
Hey, man, gotta get it.
But that nigga shit right here, cuz. That nigga. No, this shit was not my idea, love, but I refuse. Damn, this shit going already? Oh, nigga, stop taking them shit. That shit loud as hell.
This shit is loud.
Look at him. Little bro. Little bro gonna beat your ass. This man gonna beat your ass. That man gonna... Not the whole... What the hell? Why that bitch seem so damn loud? James, I ain't got shit to do with this little... That shit out already? Nah, that can fugazi, little bro. That can, I feel like we on a top secret mission, you feel me? Damn, little charger. Poor little charger. James, you see your baby? You better pop that on there? Confetti, nigga. Like I said.
Think that shit?
That bitch ain't pop out? Oh man, we gonna take that bitch back. Get that money back.
Keep this.
Boy, that shit been loud as a fuck. Hey, look. That shit been loud as a fuck. He looked out the window?
Yeah, I see it. Oh shit, what?
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, man. Listen, come here. Come here, man. Come here. I mean, I just got the channel. You feel me? It was this nigga idea.
I'm sweating bad than a mother.
I just got the channel up, bro.
We just did some redecorating. That's all that was, you know what I'm saying?
You know you finna get this shit. Shout out.
What you talking about?
You know I finna shoot at your find that. I ain't even know it was you, cause I just heard big ass point. This on my car.
Huh?
When your ass ran, the gun was pointing at your ass.
Yeah, nigga, that's why I said I turned around.
Yeah.
How you like you
Man, fuck all that, man. You better get my car washed.
What, nigga, fuck you, boy.
I tell
I
you.
ain't get my car washed. You ain't get my car
I
washed.
don't know what none of this shit is. This shit better not fuck up my paint, cuz.
Look, bro.
Yo, this your
Look, bro.
ass. This type shit you on, something. Fuck you too, cuz.
Look, bro.
That's the type shit you on.
Listen, I tell you no,
That's
little
why,
bro.
so do what you had to get off the game for. This what this shit is for? Okay.
Look, bro.
Okay.
It's even now. It's even now. It's even now.
Not even.
No, it's not even.
It is how it's not even, James.
Listen, I ain't do all his hardest did for he could leave it out.
If anything, this easy to come up in that damn paintball.
Paintball.
Look, bro, you about to shoot that man, look, bro? Look, bro, your shit straight. Look, bro, let me see your tent. Oh, we can't see the tent. It's pink. Look, bro, you trying to show me the tent? That's the tent. I can't see it for sure now. Look, bro, where you going?
Where you going, James?
Look, bro, you about to hop on the game? I told you he ain't about to start now. Man, listen.
He's gonna try to do it back, and then I'm gonna wait for a minute.
Man, listen. James is about to start now. Chill, James.
Chill, James. James, chill.
James. All right now. James, we behind your car.
Man, chill, cuz. Chill, James. That shit hit me in the shoulder, bro.
That shit hurt?
Yeah, that shit hurt. Chill, James. Chill, cuz. James, come here, Kiara.
I'm saying, I'm about to get by you.
Man, boy, James, chill, James, chill, bro.
Hey, whatever you do, just don't hit my camera.
Boy, James, chill.
James, whatever you do, just don't hit my camera, boy.
Boy, chill, James, chill, bro. Chill, bro.
All right.
I don't wonder what he had to tell Sam. I said I knew someone, but you don't know it's not even that.
I ain't. Listen,
knew this
Teddy.
shit was coming.
Yeah,
You knew this shit was
God, I
coming.
knew he about to do it. Nigga, he came and got me. But
Shit, we was about to get that fake spray paint. That's what we were trying to find. We couldn't
you
find.
lucky we got this though. You feel me? This coming up isn't easier. Well, look, bro, I ain't gonna front. This ain't bad as the paintball though.
I ain't lying. Cause look at my
This
shit.
really sweet.
Oh, this shit nuts.
This shit sweet, nigga. You wipe this shit off with your finger, little bro. Look at that.
But son, you switched out, cuz.
How I switched out? The man asked me to record. I was never on your side when you did that paintball. I ain't on his side. He just wanted me to record this.
Goddamn right.
I told you he wasn't gonna stop,
Oh, I'm
Teddy.
not stopping. I see. I left you alone.
Hey. Come on, man.
I left you alone.
Listen now. You ain't all that mad now. Calm your head down.
Huh?
I said, you ain't all that mad.
No, I'm gonna say I left him alone though. I left him alone, but alright.
Boy, that confetti shit. When you pop that this
That's what I
This
heard.
little thing, yeah, that shit scared me. I ran.
Yeah.
boy. Nah, I popped that bitch up in the air, boy. That shit scared the fuck out of me.
Teddy, you ain't come part. You put that shit right on the window, cuz.
No, he probably like standing back here.
I parked that bitch all the way back here. I said, damn, you'll see when you see the video.
Yeah.
This shit is crazy, bro. Oh, so you dropping it? Okay.
Who else got the YouTube channel?
Okay.
Nah, listen, yo.
Let me get this shit
Hey, this nigga here crazy. Hey, bro, you straight up, bro.
Teddy, you better hope this shit come out, but let me go get the shit off my car, cuz.
Nigga, that shit gonna come on, nigga. Come on now, I ain't crying now.
Man.
I ain't crying, I'm just saying.
Yeah, so, like, go put that damn paintball gun there. Look at your feet, little bro. Alright, GGG, man. Listen, it is the very next day, so you feel me? Me and Teddy put that prank on your boy James last night. And listen, man, that thing was funny, man. That man, James just be a little, he love his little car now. He love his little car, but it is what it is. Listen, if y'all enjoyed this thing, man, give this thing a thumbs up. Leave your favorite part. If y'all like videos like this, man, let me know. I will do way more like this, you feel me? Yeah, man, big shout out to Teddy, 'cause Teddy came up with this. He had to get his revenge, though. Like, you feel me? As y'all seen on the front of the video, how that man James shot his truck up, so you feel me? That was his revenge prank. It should be even. But nigga, y'all don't know James like I know James. James, he ain't about to start now. This little nigga, you feel me, like a little gnat. You feel me? He just about to keep going on and on. Hey, listen, go ahead and leave that big red subscribe button, man. I'm gonna catch y'all boys and girls in the next video. Man, I'm out. Gang.